Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to get Wi-Fi on United Airlines flight. First, set your device to airplane mode. Turn on Wi-Fi and connect to the United Wi-Fi network. Next, open your web browser and go to unitedwifi.com. Choose the Wi-Fi plan that suits your needs, hourly, full flight, or even subscription base. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. MileAge Plus members can use miles to pay. Once you're connected, you're ready to browse, stream, or work from 30,000 feet. And that's it. That's how to get Wi-Fi on United Airlines flight. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.